Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel CrazIcons. Today I am going to show you the makeover of realistic and easy paper roses. These are the basic things required for flower making. 4 sheets of size 29 x 29 cm each, glue stick, scissors and pencil. Take a sheet and fold it as shown here. Now take a pencil and draw a semicircle. Make sure the center of the circle coincides with the bottom edge of the triangular sheet. Now take scissors and cut the sheet as shown and repeat the same process for remaining 3 sheets. Initially, take one sheet of petals and cut the bottom edge of it. Then open the sheet and cut one petal as shown here. Now take the second sheet of petals and cut the bottom edge of it. Open the sheet and cut 2 petals from it. Now take the later sheet and repeat the same process and cut 3 petals from it. Then take the final sheet and repeat the same process and cut the 4 petals from it. Now twirl the petals using pencil as shown here. Trust me, this extra efforts will give us the realistic look to the flower. Now take a glue and stick the petals as shown here. Repeat the same process for all the levels. You can leave the single petal. Take the other 4 petal sheet and fold it as shown here, as it looks like a twig. Now cut a circular shape from the leftover sheet and stick it to 7 petal sheet to fill the gap. Now you can have a look on all the levels of petals. Now stick all the levels of petals using glue as shown here. Pull it with pencil as it will fix firmly. At last, after sticking all the petals, again twirl all of them so it gives a blossom view. And finally our flower is ready. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel CrazIcons.